Hey guys, episode back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how you can get this free Dominus, you could say. Yeah, I mean it looks like a Dominus, but it's for free. So I'm gonna tell you guys how you guys can get it, and the egg is from the 2020 egg hunt. So I am gonna show you how you guys can get it. First, I'm gonna show you guys what items it is. Um, so I got some eggs from the egg hunt, and it's called the egg-sicle. So this is the egg. It looks this is the main thing you need. There's a lot of videos on YouTube that you can see on how to get this egg. As I'm loading in, I'm gonna talk to you guys. And yeah, this is it. And so you want to wear that, and after that, what you guys want to do is you guys want to go to body, and you guys want to go to skin tone, okay? And then what you guys want to do is go to advanced, okay? And then go to head, and then and then press black, and then press done. I already done this, so yeah. And then it should look like this. I added the billionaire headphones. Those are for free too. And yeah, so that's how you make the head part for free. And like I said, there's a lot of videos on YouTube on how to get the egg from a game. I can type it in the Roblox thing, and yeah, here it is, Ski Resort. This is where you can get the egg from the egg hunt as I load in, and yeah, as you guys can see, this guy is, if I can zoom in, holding the egg, and yeah, it looks pretty cool. So I will, yeah. So and if you guys want to make it more like a Dominus, you guys can search up. You guys can put this. You guys can get this. If you guys want to pay Robux, which it's your guys' choice. This, in my opinion, makes it look more like a Dominus. And yeah, there's also this version, but it's for a little less. And yeah, but I didn't get those because I just wanted to make a video on how you can see it for free. And if you guys still don't remember what the game is, it is Ski Resort. Okay, Ski Resort. Okay, you guys can pause the video and play that game. And remember, there's a lot of videos saying how to get this egg. So, if you guys enjoyed, please subscribe, like, put those notifications on, comment what videos I should make next time on Roblox or anything, and like the video so that tells me that you guys like these. And also subscribe to my YouTube friends, they're going to be in the description. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye bye.